you so much.
I should have brought albums down.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. He's so pretty.
Oh, there's cards and stuff in there too.
Oh, thank you, Jen.
There are postcards in there and photo cards.
I'm so happy, thank you.
You can open it.
Okay.
Here, open it.
Okay.
There's like a little envelope with stuff inside.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Believe me, I've opened and looked already.
Okay, I believe you. Guys, my army friend that I made today.
Are you hot?
Gifted me this. I almost don't want to open.
Not with your teeth.
No.
Not with your teeth.
I'm not J-Ho.
Not with your teeth.
I'm not J-Ho.
No.
Guys, this is so expensive and she gifted it to me.
Open it with your teeth, you dog.
I'm not opening it with my teeth. Guys, there's no postcards in there. Oh wow, is this a bookmark? Stickers. Oh my god, the postcards are so cute. Oh my god, the book is so beautiful!
It's fucking gorgeous.
He's so pretty. He's so pretty I could cry. Wow. Oh my god!
You're so funny.
Yes! No one's ever gifted me like a... How much was this book?
I don't remember.
It was... Guys, it was expensive. And I was thinking about it and I was like, maybe next time. Jen, I'm gonna cry. Thank you so much. Oh my god! He looks stunning!
You're so funny.
Oh my god!
You're hilarious.
This should not be free!
Did you find the picture of his foot?
There's a picture of his foot.
Yeah.
Wait, what page? Hold on.
I don't remember what page.
What?
It's just his foot. Just his
Is
foot.
he auditioning for Deadpool? What is going on?
There's a picture of his foot and his foot alone in there.
Right, hold on.
I
We
don't
need
remember.
to...
It's on that side of the page.
I want to see the foot. He really said for free if you buy my book. Where's the foot?
I don't know why he decided he was going to eat a fucking hair dryer. I told you.
Oh my god, there's another one of his foot.
Well, there's quite a few that have his feet in it, but that one was just a foot exclusive.
Exclusive feet pics. But I do have to say, like, it's a really well...
That was like the foot selfie.
It's a really well manicured foot though, right?
That was the foot selfie.
I'm loving this for him. He was just like, guys, I have a vision.
Well,
Just take photos of me and put me
didn't you
in
tell him he was art?
I mean, he is. He is art. Look at this.
I guess he
How
finally...
could you say he's not art?
I guess he finally decided to believe him. They don't need permission for shit. This is what you need while you're looking at that. Yeah. This is the music you need.
Oh, thank you so much. The lead boy. See, even the rainbows are out when he's out. See? Rainbows.
Under the cover. Under the cover. There. So that was. There's a magazine version coming out too.
It's so pretty. I didn't realize it was green underneath.
It's embossed.
Oh wow, it's so pretty. Yeah, I saw the back. It's so pretty.
Backwards. You're backwards. That's so him though.
Yeah.
That's so him. That's so him. That's just him. That's so him. It's okay because that's his aesthetic. That's it.
I'm leaving like this forever now. That's it. This is what we wanted.
That's so him. It is him.